Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix unable to export WordPress backup file using all-in-one WP migration plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using all-in-one WP migration plugin, and when we try to export site using file, so file export not done, show this error. Now you see all-in-one WP migration is not able to create folder or file. You will need to create this folder and grant it read, write, execute permission 0777 for the all-in-one WP migration plugin to function properly. Now you see try to change permission of the parent folder. So we are going to fix this issue. So there are multiple ways to fix this issue. But first we are going to delete this plugin. On left side you see plugin, install plugin. So click on it. So this is our plugin. So click on deactivate and then click on delete. Now you see all-in-one WP migration was successfully deleted. So we are going to install again. On left side you see add new plugin. So click on it. Then in search plugin write all-in-one. So this is plugin all-in-one WP migration and backup. So click on install now and then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated and you don't see any error. On left side you see all-in-one export and then you see export site. Click on it. Now click on file. Now you see pop-up preparing to export. Now waiting, and then you see plugin is working fine. Now you see download. So click on it and then click on save. So in this way you can fix this issue. Delete the plugin and then install the plugin again. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.